The Snack Adventure. In the lively community of Bartons, snacks were more than just treats, they were treasures. Every child had their favorite, and every snack had its own story. From the tangy paradise plum to the chewy buster, each bite was a taste of joy. One sunny afternoon, a group of friends, Kai, Jody, and Malik, decided to go on a snack adventure. They were on a mission to find all their favorite Jamaican snacks, starting at Miss Ina's shop, the colorful little shop at the end of the district lane. "More police button first," declared Jolie, her eyes lighting up at the thought of the crispy golden cookie shaped like a button. "Police button? No, man! Paradise plum too much for me pass up," argued Malik, already imagining the sticky, tart, orange and red candy, making his mouth water. Kai laughed. "Me say we get all of them. We can't go wrong." When they reached Miss Ina's shop, the shelves were lined with glass jars filled with bright and colorful treats. Miss Ina, with her warm smile and quick hands, greeted them. "Afternoon picnic them. What do you want today?" "Everything!" Kai shouted, making the others burst out laughing. Miss Ina chuckled and began pulling jars from the shelf. First came the police button, cookies, golden brown and smelling of spice. Next, she scooped out a handful of paradise plum, the bright red candies that left a sweet and sour tang on your tongue. "And what about this?" she asked, holding up a stick of multicolored car sweetie. "Yes, please," Malik said, his mouth already watering. Kai spotted something else behind the counter. "Miss Ina, you have Buster?" Miss Ina reached for the sticky molasses and coconut candy wrapped in white paper. She added a few pieces to their growing stash. As the friends gathered their snacks, Jody spied a bag of asham, a powdery treat made from roasted corn. "Ma, I forget asham too," she said, licking her lips. "Don't forget jackass corn," added Malik, pointing to the hard, crunchy biscuit that looked simple but was a challenge to bite. Finally, Miss Ina handed them a tray of sok-sok or serve me long, small plastic bags filled with frozen syrup in bright colors like red, green, and orange. "You better eat them fast before they melt," she warned with a wink. With their pockets and hands full of snacks, the trio set off to enjoy their feast under the big mango tree by the river. They sat in a circle sharing everything. Jody took out a handful of police button and handed them to Kai. Malik popped a paradise plum in his mouth and winced at the sour burst, making the others laugh. "Try this," Kai said, passing around the asham. They all took turns tilting their heads back and shaking the sweet powder onto their tongue, laughing when someone accidentally spilled too much. When it came to the jackass corn, Malik pretended to be a superhero. "My teeth strong like Superman," he boasted, biting into the hard biscuit. "You better mind your teeth, Chip," teased Jody, laughing so hard she nearly spilled her sok-sok. As the sun dipped lower in the sky, the friends leaned back against the tree, their bellies full and their hands sticky with candy. "This was the best adventure ever," said Jody, her voice dreamy. "Yeah, man," said Kai. "Next time we can bring some more our friend them." "True, but next time, me I forget the most Buster," Malik said, grinning mischievously. The three friends sat there as the cool evening breeze rustled the leaves around them, with the sweet taste of their favorite snacks still on their lips and the sound of their laughter lingering in the air. They knew that these moments, simple, joyful, and full of flavor, were the ones they'd remember forever.